Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the SSD in your HP 15B025NS laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. You will typically find around 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the existing hard drive or SSD. It is usually secured with a bracket and a couple of screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you find this process daunting, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the support you need. Carefully slide the old SSD out of its slot. Take a moment to clean the area with a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance for your new SSD. Now, take your new SSD and align it with the connector. Gently slide it into place at an angle, ensuring it is securely connected. Once in position, replace the bracket and screws to secure the SSD. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to check for any other upgrades or maintenance you might want to perform. If you're unsure about any of these steps, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. Once you're satisfied, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, if you removed the battery, reinsert it and connect your laptop to the power source. Power on your device and check if the new SSD is recognized in the BIOS. If everything looks good, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore from a backup. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Enjoy your upgraded HP 15B025NS with enhanced speed and storage. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.